How to download Miside on Android. So if you want to download Miside on Android, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, open up your Google, go with search, and search for Miside game. Once you search for it, if you scroll down, then you will find an option of Miside free download. You need to just simply click on it, or just simply go with the official website. Then once you're on your official website of Miside, you'll have the download button. You can just simply tap on the download. Once you tap on the download button, it will start the downloading process. Just wait for a few seconds. You will have the APK downloaded, and once the APK has been downloaded, you need to just go back or go with the three dots which will be in the top right, and then go with the downloads section. Once you go with downloads, you can just tap on open, which will be on the right side, and then you will find an option of install. You need to just simply go and install. And before that, make sure that you've turned on the install unknown apps option on your settings. So go with your settings and then search for install unknown apps. And once you search for it, just tap on it and then tap on install unknown apps again, which will be on the bottom, and then turn on the option for the browser that you're using to download the APK file. Like for example, in our case, we've selected Chrome, right, to download. So you just need something, just scroll down and then go with the Chrome, and under Chrome you need to just go and allow from this source option. Once you're allowed, you'll be able to install Miside on your Android. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.